Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking all about SEMrush. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to give you guys a bit of insight on what exactly SEMrush is. So SEMrush is an SEO tool that helps you do keyword research on what combination of keywords or SEO libraries generate the most traffic. And by that I mean uh, potential interested parties or customer engagements or what people basically search for on the search engine of Google or stuff like that. So uh, you can probably tell that it has a lot of real world applications like be it digital marketing or productivity or getting your name out, basically generate more traffic to your website. So what SEMrush does is it collects all of this data that is tied to a lot of different search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, basically any search engine out there that's worth their salt. And what it does is it collects this data and compiles it and lets you know which ones are the uh, top search results or which one generate the highest amount of traffic. So it shows you statistics like CPC and PPC, or should we say cost per click and pay per click and stuff like that. So SEO actually comes into play a lot with analytics. And a lot of these actually come into play with stuff like content marketing, as you can see here on my screen, market research, advertising, social media, and agency solutions. So, in the content marketing aspect of things, it talks about finding the right topics that resonate with your audience and getting actionable tips to create SEO friendly content. So, stuff that they want and they will search for. And also fine tune your business model or product or whatever to uh fit more with the preferences of your target market and basically get more engagements and produce more traffic. So this is what SEMrush specializes in exactly. So you get to create keyword libraries containing which combination of keywords that would get searched up at the highest volume on search engines like Google, stuff like that. It's also market research, where you can analyze the traffic of any website and basically use SEMrush to do analysis on why each business is so successful and what type of strategies or keywords they use to generate the most traffic. So stuff like that. Basically, doing back end research to see which winning formulas actually work and which don't. So that's SEMrush in a nutshell. Now, let's actually take a look at a couple of testimonials, or rather, uh, which companies use SEMrush. So there's Tesla. Everyone knows what Tesla is. Amazon, Quora, Vodafone. I believe this was a phone company. Decathlon, Forbes, Booking.com. This one I believe is an aerosol brand. PNG, Samsung, FedEx, you name it. Another thing about SEMrush is that it's one of the SEO tools that contains the biggest database for keyword research and data. So with this in mind, you're actually able to configure your content, be it digital or online products on your store, to work well with search engines and basically generate more traffic. So yeah, that's SEMrush in a nutshell. So if you guys feel like you've learned something in this video, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to see more of that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.